Okay, so show you my toys I play with. I don't have a hunting license, so I can't spare too much. But this one here is an old crack barrel that my neighbor just gave to me actually this summer. He bought it when he was a kid. I don't know if you can see the engraving or not. It says Spavia 618. Doesn't have a date on it, but it's one of the older ones. Made in Czechoslovakia. So it's probably junk, but I haven't yet to use it, but I'll do a demonstration later. And this one here is my baby. Another crack barrel. This one here is my baby. Got from B&D Knives in St. Catharines. Shoots 450 feet per second. Gotten a few rabbits with it. Do a little demonstration if I can. Shoot some cans or something. Don't know if it'll. And you can see the paint cans there, or the beer cans. There you go. First one I'll use is the old one. See if I can hit it. Of course, now that I'm filming it, I'm not going to hit the damn thing. And now I'm going to use my baby. You'll be able to hear the difference. Okay, so let's go take a look. Now this baby here is the one I hit twice with mine. You can see where I hit him. And this one here I hit with mine and the other one. And you can see both did a fair amount. But I like mine. As you can tell, clearly the aim is a little bit better with that one as well. But those are my toys. This one here takes the old 177 caliber lead pellets, as you can see. And then mine takes 175 22 calibers. And you can hear the difference between the two, the compression. As I say, I have yet to use the old one. This one here. On anything, but mine I've gotten a few rabbits. And etc. And actually, there's my first rabbit right there. In the freezer, in the bag. Get a couple more, that's some nice rabbits too. But that's all, I figured I'd show you my beasts. Thanks.